welcome to today's how-to. Today we're going to be learning how to draw the cat from Roblox 99 Nights in the Forest. And don't forget to pause the video to follow along at your own pace. So first, let's get started further over towards the left. And for the center of the face, we're going to draw in a small arch line on the top for the nose. Let's come underneath. So on the left-hand side, we're going to curve this diagonal line in towards the middle. And then we'll flip across, replicating that on the right-hand side. Now let's draw in a straight line coming down. Now from here on the corner, we're going to curve this around, pulling that over and through to the center. And then we'll replicate that on the opposite side as well. Now for the teeth, on the left-hand side, we're going to curve this line down, pulling that back up to the top. And then we'll flip across on the right, replicating that. Let's step under for the mouth. We're going to draw in a nice big arch line from tooth to tooth. And then for the tongue dropping underneath this, we're just going to draw in another arch line, curving that up in the center. Let's come across for the eye now. So stepping up on a diagonal, we're going to draw a nice big oval on the left-hand side. And then we'll flip across on the right, replicating that. Now in the middle of our eye, stepping over towards the side, starting on the top, we're going to curve this around and down. We'll replicate this on the opposite side as well. And then from that point, we're just going to curve this back up and in towards the top. And then we'll do the exact same thing on the right. Now let's color this in black. Let's frame in the head now. So on the top, we're going to curve this line over and across on the right. On the left-hand side, from that point, we're just going to curve this around, tucking this over and through towards the mouth. And then we'll do the exact same thing on the right-hand side. So we're just going to curve this around, tucking that back in. And then we're just going to add in a little chin with a curved line. Let's draw on the whiskers now. So on the top, we're going to curve this out. Let's step down in the middle, replicating that. And then moving even further down to the bottom, let's replicate that one more time. Now let's step up for the ear. So leaving a gap in the center, up in the left-hand side, we're going to curve this line out. We'll do that exact same thing on the right. Now from that point, let's tuck this in. So we're going to curve this around and through to the side of the head. Now from that point on the very top here, we're just going to round that out, tucking that in. Let's add in some details here for the hair. So we're going to curve this line out and then tucking that back down. Now again, moving further across, curving that over, tucking that back in. And then one last time, just arching this down and then tucking that through on the top. Let's move back down for the body now. So we're going to leave a gap here, curving this around and in on the side. We'll line this up at the exact same height on the right, replicating that. Let's come in towards the middle, curving this around and up, leaving a gap. Let's focus on our arms now. So underneath, we're going to draw in the arms. So we're going to curve this line out, tucking that at the elbow, bringing that through on a diagonal, lining that up at the same height, replicating that on the right. Let's move in on the top here. So we're just going to curve this line out. And then again, for the top of the arm, just coming down, curving that out. Now for the palm of the hand, just stepping up slightly, we're going to curve this line into the middle. For the thumb, we're going to round this out, curving this over and through. Let's draw on the claw right up above. So we're going to arch this out, pulling this back around and in towards the top. Let's add in our pointer finger here now. So we're just going to bring this up, tucking this back around, pulling that through. And then now coming across on the right hand side, we'll just replicate that. So rounding that out, curving that over, pulling that back up. Coming in towards the middle, we're going to replicate that again. So rounding this out, tucking this over and back through towards that pointer finger. And then again, dropping down for that pinky, just curving this around, tucking that back up. Let's draw on the claws now. So on the top here, curving this out, tucking that back in. Let's move down in the center, replicating that, curving this out, pulling that back up. And then one last time on the pinky, replicating that again, curving that out, pulling that back through to the top. This goes off the palm underneath. We're just going to arch this around, tucking that back in. Now let's step across. We're going to curve this line out on either side, ending that at the same height. And then moving down on a diagonal, rounding the knee out, we're just going to tuck this over and back in on the side of the body. Now let's come in behind. We're going to draw a diagonal line pulling through to the back. And then we'll bring this out on a diagonal to the side, ending that at the same height. Now underneath, let's step over, curving this around, pulling that back through. Again, in the middle, curving this over, tucking that down. And then again, bringing this out, pulling that back in on the top. From here now, from that point, we're going to curve this up to the knee. Let's close off the ankle here, so we're just going to arch this out. Now from here, let's draw in the tail. So stepping underneath, we're going to curve this down, up, and over. We're going to round this out on the side now. So we're going to curve this around, tucking this down, back up and in towards that knee. And that is it. That's how you draw the cat from Roblox 99 Nights in the Forest. You can pause the video and color it the way that I have done, or you can change your colors up if you'd like. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel, and also drop a comment below suggesting any more characters that you'd love to learn to draw next. Thank you so much for joining me on today's tutorial, and I will see you all on the next one.